Damn. Sound like he didn't want to get out of it. He just in it. He love that little noise it make. He, hey! Blame it on the left lane then. What is appreciate the 50 bits, Rob, one time. And the 10 gifted subs. Man, what I'ma name you, man? DX? Oh, okay. Okay, it sound good and smooth, I ain't gonna lie to you. That was a good smooth pass. DX or Mo, whatever you want. Okay. Look out, man. What's the deal, man? How you feeling today? I see you got you a little Coors Light, ice cold, still dripping. I already know.
You want a little revenge back?
Nah, I ain't bring it today.
You ain't ready?
Yeah, they told me if I get a retune, that ought to solve all the problems I need with you. They said that ought to get him.
Let's go get this retune.
I'm getting the retune. I got my boy say I need a converter too.
Really?
Yeah, he said I need a converter. I ought to be able to get on your ass.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. He the one that be driving that vet, Mo.
No press.
They waiting on me. I'm gonna run that vet, man.
Hey,
Let me see. Cheer 100. What's a cheer? That's something else. Gifted 1X. Nah, gifted X1. Man, I'm gonna have to sit down. What's up with it, man? I'm gonna have to sit down and review all this stuff. I don't know what's going on. like it went sideways. Damn, where he at? Oh, okay. He made it. God damn, he had all the track down all that damn smoke. Ooh. I thought he lost traction. Damn. I thought he lost traction, man. He scared me. I'd have been scared 2 times. Playing on my emotions up here today. Choo choo, hype screen. Well, that's about to be some downtime. That's right. Let me see who I can go over here and bother. Let me see if I can get an interview of the driver. How that happened. Hey, Carlo, you want to explain to him one time what it felt like, how it happened, what you was thinking?
Well, I actually thought I was going to see Jesus.
Yeah.
But I said, Lord, I ain't ready to come yet.
Yeah.
So help me. Help me, Lord.
We're going to kick it a little while longer.
Yeah, we're going to try this again. That didn't work out too well for me.
Yeah, I seen it go kind of look right. It looked right one time. I said, yeah, you ain't got no tent, boy. You were correcting that thing. Get back. Hey! You had me hollering, man. I almost lost my rib up there, man.
You was hollering, what you think I was doing?
Oh, well, yeah.
I ain't going to even fake it. I lost his rib.
Yeah, man. I had the camera like this. I thought everything was going smooth. I seen that car. I said, hey! I started hollering. Shit, I got to hollering, man.